The air compressor is one of the machines which help us in a variety of routine tasks, ranging from lighter to heavier work, such as bolting, screwing, inflation, etc. Thus, these compressors make our job easier. 20-gallon air compressors specially built for serious people like you and us. Those who have to do some serious heavy-duty work. There are many products available to choose 20-gallon air compressor, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 20-gallon air compressor from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Porter Cable 20-gallon portable air compressor. Meet the dream team of heavy-duty and long-life induction motors and pumps. During the non-stop functioning, both ensure reliable performance. The powerful drive induction motor features high-quality winding with an output of 1.5 HP. Low starting torque and low voltage startup are the plus points too. No pulleys and belts confirm the maintenance-free. The vertical body with a 7-inch rubber wheel for convenient job site mobility. Rubber feet stabilize the upright still position of 97 pounds weighted tank. What I think is amazing about Porter is its weight. That's why I consider it the best portable 20-gallon air compressor, because of its lightweight design compared to others. The compressor pump and the motor are covered with a protective casing. The advantage is that it protects the working components such as regulators and gauges. The combination of the bearable noise level of 84 decibels and toxic chemical-free makes it perfect for indoor use. The additional features include a pressure switch with an on-off tank pressure gauge. Moreover, the pressure relief valve for fast and full tank draining is worth a lot. Number 2. Stealth 20-gallon ultra-quiet air compressor. What I have seen with the Stealth is its quietness. It's the 5th compressor that goes into my list of quiet air compressors. As for the motor, it's a high-efficiency induction motor that generates 1.8 horsepower. Amazingly, the motor has 3 times a longer lifespan than other standard induction motors. The motor charges up the 20-gallon air tank from empty to full in 1 minute, 10 seconds. Plus, also helps in quick low voltage and cold weather startup. Another great feature along with the motor is the oil-free dual piston pump. The pumps grant higher performance and a longer lifespan. On the other hand, the oil-free system makes the air compressor ultra-quiet with a 68 bar noise level. The Stealth is built with a heavy-duty Q235B special alloy metal to withstand a harsh job site environment. Another benefit is the housing metal cage bar that protects the motor and other components from any type of damage. It has 8-inch rubber reinforced wheels that give higher mobility for easy transportation from place to place. There is also the reinforced rubber handle grip that grants strong hand gripping. Number 3. Northstar Portable Electric Air Compressor. This Northstar 20-gallon air compressor has a powerful 2 HP induction motor. This motor runs at 3440 RPM, with a low amp draw for easier starts. The motor has dual voltage selection, depending on the region to be equipped and use. Heat and moisture are the strong enemies for the proper functioning of the machine. They also reduce the longevity of the machine to a great extent. Thus to prevent them, it is designed in such a way to operate flawlessly and smoothly. The V-style cylinder is oriented to eliminate hot spots and ensure consistent cooling, thus resulting in the long life of the pump. Copper finned inter and after coolers, cast iron head shape in a way to dissipate heat excellently. Number 4. Dual 20-gallon portable air compressor. The compressor has a heavy-duty dual voltage induction motor of 1.9 RHP for higher efficiency. Thus ensure trouble-free operation leads to drive high pump performance. As standard, it is assembled and plugged into a 120-volt outlet. It can also be converted for a 240-volt application by a skilled electrician. The dual voltage feature makes it a perfect solution for versatile tasks. It is ideal to accomplish the jobs performed in the house as well as in the workshop, as well as ideal for high-consumption air tools such as nail guns, paint sprayers, sanders, and more. The oil-lubricated air compressor is a single-stage and V-twin cast iron pump. The one-piece cast iron crankcase design makes it thermally stable and more durable. Make it tough at job sites and designed for the professional. Number 5. WEN 2202T 20-gallon. The WEN 2202T is one of the powerful single-stage air compressors built for garages, shops, and job sites. That's right, their optimum power for running up spray guns, staplers, nailers, or any other pneumatic tools. The overall CFM along with motor power makes it more versatile for a variety of woodworking and painting jobs. With motor is its handy-dandy auto shut-off functionality. As soon the compressor reaches its max pressure, the auto shut-off system turns off the compressor for safety as well as reliable compressing. The 20-gallon compressor tank is made with reinforced steel that increases durability against rough job site conditions. Both legs and wheels enhance the overall compressor stability and prevent the risk of the compressor tripping over during work. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.